Alright fam, we on that wall. So look, let's open it up. I purchased it. I got straight on out. Nike sneaker app in Atlanta. They're going for $350 plus with tax. I'm happy to have them back at the shoebox to show the gang, to show the family, show y'all YouTube, IG, size 12, my personal size. I will definitely, I'm keeping these, no ifs and buts about them. From what I'm hearing with the pad at the bottom, it can charge up other devices. We're going to check into that in a second. Can we see all that? Let's make sure. Can we back it up this? There we go. AKA E.A.R.L.s. These are the BB adapts. They're supposed to adapt to your feet. When you play basketball, change colors. You got an app on the phone you can download. I'm going to get into all that. Hopefully this barcode right here, that's probably, maybe, I don't know. We're gonna see. I don't know. So let's unbox it. Let's get into it. Box is huge. It's like a double box of another shoe. On this side here, that buttons. I got them like the lights of the shoe, or the actual shoe itself, and then on the top. Show y'all this guy real quick. You got, okay, nice handle. Get into it. Look, I don't know how I'm on. Let's see. I don't want to mess the box up. Some more. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna definitely just set this out the way over here. Move this back into the picture, family. All right. Let's see what we're working with. What's next? I'll unbox this thing, man. Let's get it, gang. All right. Tell us my first unboxing. I wanted to do it. Okay, so you unboxing that right here on this side. Got the flap. Y'all pay attention, cause she gonna mess this up. The other side, you got another flap. Then it comes up. Okay, the inside real quick of the box. Got some nice cushioning, nice blue color. Hope that's showing up. Smells real good. Smells nice. A new smell. Okay, so we're gonna, of course, set this over here to the side. There they go. Yo, if y'all want to see on foot from Retro Rick, y'all let me know, fam. I'll pull it. I'll go out here on the basketball court with it. I'll try it out. I'm keeping these. Let me see. E.A.R.L.s. Look at the back. Bottom. I can speed it up and slow it down. Let me move this paper out the way so it's not keep making that noise. Hold on 1 second, man. Shoe tree at the dots. Let's see. Huh? Shoe tree right there. Inside. Oh, is that a R? Is that an R? Retro family, retro gang, man. Stop playing with your boy. That can't be an R. You know I'm keeping these, pal. Okay. Oh, this is the other part of the shoe tree. There's something else. So it's like, Let's see. Okay, good. Premium. Okay. Yo, my phone just went off, gang. They got the reservations for the LeBron 16 King Strong open in 15 minutes. I don't know what that means because I just missed it on the app. It just came across my time again, so I'm going to let y'all know. Keep y'all linked in. Y'all get them LeBron 16. Watch the Thrones, I think, the King's Thrones. Let's get back into these. It's All-Star Weekend. They dropping heat. I guess, yeah, these are the buttons. Y'all can hear that? You can push them in. I'm going to charge them up. A second. Let me set that one there. I just want to see what the other one says. Let me set the shoot tree here. Set the paper. I see y'all can speed it up, slow it down. It don't matter. Y'all leave a comment. Definitely like, share, tell a friend and tell a friend. The button again. Push the button in. Okay. So I guess it's pretty much the same on the other shoe. I just want to see what it's saying. Sure y'all want to see too on the other side and the other side. What is that? L. So let's see. Mesh, just like a mesh material. 3M. Alright, so you got, I don't know if it's that new barcode, if y'all can see that. I wonder if that's that new code where you can do the check for make sure it's legit. Hopefully that is. I need to start putting it on other shoes. I'm going to do a review of another shoe I snatched up down at the sneaker pop-up. So let me get this out the way. Let me set that. Let's see the pad. This the charging pad, fam. I know I said check your phones, but by the time I upload this video, man, hopefully y'all got the LeBrons by now. I'm gonna keep it rocking. It's the pad. From here, you can charge up other devices, so we're gonna see. It's nice. Okay. So that's the pad, charging pad for it. It goes on shit like that, like so. Set that pad to the side. Inside of the box. Let's see what this is. You know I'm keeping it if I'm doing all this. I'm not gonna be open. Trust me. I'm keeping these. What is this? It's feel like the battery in the charger pack. Let me find something to open up with. Hold on, fam. That's what it feels like. Okay, I got it. I got it. Do I? Okay. Let's see. That's exactly what it is. You got the charger, pack, ice. You got, like I say, these the Nike ADAPT, the A.R.L BBs, aka A.R.Ls. Instructions. I know you can change the color. All right, gang. Here they go, family. You see it? So I got it on the charger. Let me read about it. Getting started. Power on. Number 1, push and hold any button on the side for the shoe for 1 second. Okay, they on. Power lace. Place your shoe flat on the ground and slide your foot inside. The shoe will automatically tighten to a comfortable pre-programmed fit. Okay, number 3, adjust your fit. Tap the front bottom to tighten, tap the back bottom to loosen. So the front button here is you're gonna tighten, the back is the loose. So And you loose with the other one. And by the way, gang, I did just miss out on the sneaker pass doing this video. Y'all let me know at the Sneaker Atlanta. They dropped the LeBrons. I want those pairs. Look, you know how we do. Y'all let me know if y'all can get a pair for retail. I'm gonna pull up on you. You don't want it. You want to make a little something off of it. Not too bad, but you know how Retro Rick do it, man. You know we stay giving back. So look, somebody bless us. Please bless us. Bring that pair to the shoebox. I need a size 12. Gang. Let's get right back into it. You got save your fit. You can push and hold the buttons, both buttons simultaneously for 2 seconds until you feel the motor pulse. Okay, so you can save your fit. Power up. You got for the charge now, they go red, the charge soon. They go like maybe an orange. Plenty is yellow, and full all the way is green. If your shoes need to be charged, set them on the charger mat. The lights will start pulsing. When the shoes are fully charged, the lights will shut off and the shoes are ready to wear. Okay. Low battery warning. Reduce motor speeds. Let you know it's going to reduce it. 3 red flashing lights to end. Okay. And critical battery. 3 red flashing lights. Unlacing only. So you do got a personal, you can make it your own. So you can lace up with a quick swipe or dial with a precision control, modify the color settings to reflect your style. Or you got a quick switch, say your favorite fit. Okay, y'all go back when you get a pair. Read it. If you don't, I'm going to keep reading it. Fit and light settings and presets to quickly change on the go. Man, come on. Wireless updates will introduce new features. So they got wireless updates. You can update this. They got an app you can download, a Nike ADAPT app. You can get it on App Store and Google Play. So, you know, that's a little bit of information. This your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. Keeping y'all linked in and informed. And these things here are nice. Look, we appreciate y'all for rocking with us. Of course, tell a friend to tell a friend. Y'all share. You know, if you ain't already subscribed, what you waiting for? Subscribe, hit that like button. Notification gang. Gang, y'all keep checking in with your boy. You know, I go live a lot. Me and Maddie go live, so when we go live, y'all want to miss that feed. I popped up on Nike with the BB ADAPT. I seen some of my gangs the other day. I appreciate y'all, shouting me out, let me know y'all see me and Maddie out there working. We're going to keep y'all linked in and informed. So look, this your boy Retro Rick for Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. You know what I say, man. Stay strong, stay double strong. We out. Gang.